Good day everybody, today we got this beautiful small car, Hyundai Click 2010. Let's review the car and show you everything outside and inside. Here's the first door. There's rust at the edge here. Let's check the other door. Here's the other door here. There's also a few rust over there. And here, this side is quite rusty. Wheels are in a good condition. Let's go check the other side. Here's the other door from the passenger side here. There's rust at the end here, in this edge from inside. The last door, they're all quite rusty from the bottom. The rust here as well. Let's go check the trunk. Here we go, we just opened the trunk. Let's check the edges over here. Edges look just fine. This one is also original. Looks just fine.
Alright, here we go. We're inside the car here. Click. Let's start the engine. Put the key on first. As you can see, the lights are on. Let's start the engine. Alright, the engine started and the lights are gone. So far everything looks and sounds just good. Let's start by accelerating. Check out the RPMs here and listen to the engine sound on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, the engine sound is very strong and the RPMs go up very smoothly and very fastly. One more time. Perfect. And look from the bottom here. Cool. The brake also feels just normal. Alright, we got buttons here when you get a call for the volume, answering the call, and changing into headphones. Now let's also check out the audio.
암 수술받은 해안은 빠른 쾌유를 발언합니다.
Not much channels over here, but
메리트로 벌써 알아봤다. 보험 쉽고 편하게 메리트 화재 홈페이지에서 만나.
alright, the radio works just fine. Very normal. Let's try the AC. Okay, but I'm cold. There. Okay, let's switch on the fan. Okay. So the wind is blowing very strong and it's very cold already. AC's on. It's really cold and cool. Oh, it's very cold. So AC functions just fine. Okay, what else we got? Got the Windows controller here, Windows buttons. Like that. They all work just fine. Try this side as well. Works perfectly. Try the other side. All work just fine. Try the last side here. Also works just normal. Let me show you the seats here. They're very clean. Everything looks just normal. Okay, that should be everything to review from the inside. Alright, here we go. I'll just open the engine here. No smoke or oil is coming out. Everything looks and sounds just good.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So finishing the review here of this Hyundai Click 2010. As you have seen, the car is in a very good condition, very low mileage. It has a little bit of rust, that's the downside of it. But other than that, everything is working just fine and in a very good condition. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.